our the wholesale type and also the new type in 2022. And you can see here we got the 3 colors here, but we also can do another color, like the rose color, and also some bronze color is okay. We can make a production, and okay. Let's introduce to you for our new type. Maybe I think some friends were wondering how this type installation, and also why it's so stranger like a saw, right? And but this type is very wholesale now, and also the quality is very good. If do some installation, do some installation in your sofa, in your some furniture, that will looks very high end. And if you want to see the picture which we have installation in our sofas, then you can set an inquiry to us, and also set this type to us. Then we can show you. Then we can show you the picture, and also our production videos. Also, we have some more the item details could set you. And you can see here we got a metal black color, chrome color, and also gold color. And you can see here sofa will put in here as a sofa. Here part is a sofa legs. For the basis parts to this part, the size is 150 millimeter. And if you want to another size, if you want to 130 meter or more high, more higher, then it's okay. We can do for you. Just set your inquiry and also tell us how many quantity you want, and also the size you can tell us. Then we can check the price to you. And the next is for the thickness. You can see for the thickness. Let's show our friends detail. Yes, you can see the thickness is 2.0 millimeter, and also we have a 2.5 millimeter. If you want, we can make a production for you. And also, if you want another color, it's okay. We can make production. So this type is our wholesale type in the markets, and the package is 15 pieces will in a carton. 1 pieces will put in a poly bag, in a body bag. Then we'll put 15 pieces in our carton. And we already have 13 years in Chinese for export, so you don't need to worry about the shipping. You just set your address to us. We can check the shipping cost for you. And also, if you have agents in China, we also can shipping to your agent's address. Yeah, so for this type is our new type, and for the samples, we can do free sample to you. But please set us your address and your passcode. Then we can check the shipping cost to you. But the shipping cost is under your cost. Yes, it's for this type. And also we got another type. For the new item, and it's this type. This type is also a new type in the markets. Now we already set the samples to our customer to have a taxes, to have a check. If you have an interesting, if you think this the design is suit for you, then you can set an inquiry to us, and we can arrange the sample to you. Yes, for this type, we also can do the chrome color, the gold color, and also the rose color. Yeah, and we can, for this type is 60 pieces in a carton, and one pieces will in a poly bag. Then we'll put the 60 pieces in a carton. Yeah, because this will more smaller than the first type. And if also this for the size, the high size, we also can make customized for you. And our regular size is 130 millimeter, and also the 150 millimeter. Yeah, and if you want more size and you want more to check in your markets, it's okay. You can set the size which one you want. Then we can check the sample to you, and also we can set the details to you. Yes, it's for this type, and also have a similar type. Is this type? This type will smaller different. This type. You can see bases here. Bases parts is same. Here, bases parts is same. Just this here, the top here will more longer because we do a design to make our furniture looks more pretty. Yeah. So if you want to design your furniture, then you can take this sample to have a check. Yeah, and also for this type also we have all the color we can make production. It's the same thickness. It's 2.0 millimeter and also 2.5 millimeter. We can make a production for you, and also we can send a sample to you. And you can see bases here, we'll put in a plastic to protect our item itself, and also protect our floors to advance the scratch. Yeah, so it is the type. It is the type in our wholesale list. And also we have another shape like this type, and it's a different shape. Most will use on our sofa, and also use on our cabinets. Yes, some living room cabinets or bathroom cabinets will use this type mostly. And if you have an interest in all the samples, we can do for you. Just set the inquiry to us, then we can check for you and check the best price to you, and also check the best shipping. For this type, all the markets is usable. Some Euro markets and Asia markets, and also the American markets also can use those type. Yeah. So if you want to have a try, or you want to try in your furniture, try in your markets, it's okay. We can do for you. And also we also accept a small MOQ for you. We can do small MOQ for you. Yeah. So and except these 3-4 type, we also have some new type. Let me show you. And also we have some new the L-shaped legs in the markets, and also we have some new type in here. And you can see for this type. For this type is also our very new items in markets. You can see the flowers, the production is very beautiful, and I can show you some details, then you can check more clear. You can see the details here, and also the finish very pretty. Yes, it's very shiny, and also for this type, we have a much flower different the style. You can see we have a different style to check it, and also we can do another color, rose chrome color. Yes, you can see the rose color. So each leg spaces here, we will put in a plastic button here, so it's protect our items and also protect our floors. You can see for this type package, one pieces will in this the poly bag. One pieces will put in a poly bag, then 60 pieces will in a carton. And all the color we can do for you, and also the size, our wholesale size is 130 millimeter and also 150 millimeter. The thickness we can do the 1.8 millimeter and also 2.0 millimeter. It's okay. We can do the different thickness, the material thickness for you. And we all know the raw material is rising, and also the electric plants price also rising, become a little expensive. So if you order now, then we can give you the best price, and also give you the very good quality, very good MOQ for you. So if you want to try, it's welcome, and we can do for you. Okay, you can see we have different flowers here. It's very pretty if we use in our sofa, use in our furniture. Looks will very high-end quality, and looks will very pretty, and it helps you can sell more furniture in your markets. Yeah. So if you want to do a design for the flower, it's okay. It's welcome. We can do the different design for you. You just set the decide picture to us, and decide firm to us. Then we can make a conclusion and check the price to you. Also make the sample to let you have a check in markets. It's no problem. And also you can see we have plastic legs. Also, we have make a new mold to production the plastic type. Yes, you can see it's a plastic type. Yeah, so also we can do the plastic type here. Plastic type also very wholesale in our markets, because the price, we have a very good price, and also we have a big quantity to production, so we can do the very good price to you. And also the thickness, the material, you don't need to worry about the quality. We can set the sample. We can set a free sample to let you have a check, and we can do the different size for you. If you want to have a check, if you want to different price, you can set different size. You can set the inquiry to us, then we can make a check to you and also arrange the sample to set to you. Yes, you can see not just only the black colors, we also can do gold color. This also plastic. But it looks like wood finish, right? So it's a print on here, print pouting on the finish. So we can do the different color for you. Also, we have a good price. You just set inquiry to us and tell us what kind of the size you want, what kind of the colors you need. Then we can set to you the sample and also check the price to you. Also, except those type, most will sell in our Euro markets and also some African markets. Middle of the markets will use it, and also we have the regular item in markets. You can see for this type. We also have a stainless steel legs in our markets because for the stainless steel, we know some countries the weather is very wet, so sometimes we need to make stainless steel to make because stainless steel not easy to rest, right? So we have a production. We have this item. So for this type, it's a very regular type in markets. I think everyone, every clients, very customers, or this is a regular type in markets, right? So for this type, you can choose if you some furnitures they need a regular or classic design, then you can choose this type. For this type, we also have a very good price, very good competition in the markets, because we are loading the container each month. Yeah, and also you can see we have different type plastic, black plastic, and also the clean color plastic we can do for you, and also the tube the diameter, and also the tube the size, the height size is okay, we can do for you. Regular size is 15 millimeter high, and also the 18 millimeter high. Also some South America friends will like the 100 millimeter high. It's okay, we can production for you. And also the stainless steel also have very good price. For the iron legs, it's a similar price. The size also could customize for you, and it's easy also. And we have a sample in our stock. If you have interest, we can set the sample to you. Please set your address to us, then we can make a conclusion to check with our delivery agents. Then we can quote to you the shipping cost. Yes, and also this type also very hot in our Africa. Also very hot in some Africa countries because it's have a very good price, and also quality you can check. We can set to your check. And also we also have a different type here that I can show to you. We also have much different type here. You can see. So if you want to check more items, if you want to check more different designs, you can send the inquiry to us, and I can send you our catalog, all of our company catalog. I can send to you. Then you can have a check the interesting items you want. Then we can check the price to you. Yeah, and if you want to know more details, or you want to see the our factory production video, it's okay. We can send to you. Please leave your message, and also please set your WeChat or WhatsApp number to us, that we can contact you and feedback to you immediately. And for this type, is almost 120 pieces in a carton. 1 pieces will in a poly bag. Then if you want to change the package, it's okay. We can do for you. And also we can print your logo in the cartons for you, and also we can arrange the shipping to you. It's no problem. Okay, and for those type, if you have some interested, you can say to us. Yes, today we have show you our wholesale item, show you our sofa legs items, wholesale type, and also have some new type items here, you can see. And also the different colors, we can make production for you. So if you have an interest in, you just send an inquiry to us and send the message, leave your message to us. Then our customer service will feedback to you immediately. And my name is Minty, and if you next time I will show you more our items. And also, if you have interest in our if you have an interest in our items, if you have an interest in our company, then we can show you our we can show you our factory videos, our company videos, and also we can introduce to you our wholesale items and also our main production markets, and also our very good price in the markets. And our company already have over 13 years ago. So if you, so we very professional in the furniture, furniture fittings, and also we very know the price, very know the markets, and also we know how to shipping to you, how to arrange the delivery to you is the best way. And we also have a few companies have a comparison many years for shipping, so we can check the best price to you. Because we know now because of the COVID, the COVID situation, so make the shipping cost very high. It's okay. We can make a check for you, and you can tell us your address and your passport cost. Then we can check the best price to you. And my name is Minty, and see you next time. And we can hope next time I can set more items detail to you. Yes. Bye.
Hello friends, welcome to my live show. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Sherlyn from Guangzhou Retail Hardware, and our company was specialized in the furniture fitting, such as the furniture leg and the furniture hinge, and the furniture slides, and the table leg, sofa legs, and the bed frames, and so on. So if you're interested in our products, you can go to our companies and the work and another to check our products. And today I will introduce our wholesale product is our sofa leg. This sofa leg, and we can see here have the many different types, and here have many different size the sofa legs in the table, right? Yes, and here we also have the many different kind of the Thai sofa leg, and the different type of the Thai very different type of the sofa legs in here, and here is our simple rooms. Yes, so the first I will introduce our this table legs. We can see this type of the table leg. We have the very different kind of the heights. We can see the small heights, and this is the another size. Yes, so this sofa legs we have the very different size, such as the height. The height we have the 14, 15, 16, and the 18 and 100 millimeters, and so on. Yes, and the first we can check this one's the size. And we can see this height is our 16 millimeter. This is our 16 millimeter size. And this one small size. This small size is the 14 millimeter. Yeah, this is our small size, and we also have the big size, such as the 16, 18, and the 100. Yes, and this is our height and the diameter.